Gigi's birthday, and I came out to get all the, we went out and ate, chucked all the trash in the back floorboard, and I just wiped this bag off which I picked up yesterday. But she's had problems with Tractor Supply, quite a bit of problems. Every time she picks up a bag, they got it taped somewhere or something like that. So this one looks like a really good bag. So what I'm going to do is fold it over, and I'm going to tape it up real good with some tape, and then I'll take it in the house, and because she said, oh, I wonder how much got spilled out, how much dirt did they sweep up in it and put it in the bag and all that kind of stuff. So she'll probably go off, but anyway, I'm gonna tape this up and take it in the house, and we'll see what she does. All right, here's her taped up bag. I even put a little trash from the yard, a little dirt and stuff underneath the tape where she can see it. So, all right, let me take it in the house and see what she says.
Yesterland Farm was destroyed after 2 tornadoes tore through the city of Camden. I could have got that.
Yeah, I got it.
Raining.
It is raining.
You shut this deal now?
Yeah.
Have you shut the car up good?
I just locked it, yeah. You take a look at your bag.
It's taped up.
It's taped up.
Mother. Are you kidding me?
Looks like trash in the top too.
Well, I'm calling.
Huh?
I'm gonna call them, tell them they need to give me a discount on this bag.
Well, I just took a picture of it, or video of it when I got it out.
Well, just don't video me, because
Okay. But hey, you can see the dirt on it.
do you see a reduced sign on that?
No, but we did get a discount price.
Well,
10% off.
I'll call them and ask them to let me tell them that. I had a feeling.
Had a feeling what?
Yesterday, I had a feeling it was going to be taped up.
Had a feeling what?
I had a feeling it was going to be. Did you do that on purpose?
I might have.
You can't lie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.